Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to be learning how to use capital letters at the start of a sentence and full stops, question marks and exclamation marks at the end of a sentence. This is a level 2 skill. Let's begin by thinking about capital letters. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. In the sentence, "It snowed heavily last night," the first word in the sentence is it, so it needs to begin with a capital I. In the next sentence, "What is the time?" the first word is what, so this needs to begin with a capital W. And in the final sentence, "The lady walked to the shop," the first word in the sentence is the, so it needs to begin with a capital T. All sentences need to end with a punctuation mark, and a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark can be used to do this. Let's think about full stops. We use full stops when the sentence is a statement. A statement expresses a fact, an idea, or an opinion. For example, "The bike is blue and silver." As you can see, this statement sentence ends with a full stop. Now let's think about question marks. We use question marks at the end of a sentence that asks a question. For example, "Can we go to the cinema?" You can see that this question ends with a question mark. Finally, we are going to learn about exclamation marks. We use an exclamation mark to end a sentence that is an exclamation and shows strong surprise or emotion. For example, "What a beautiful drawing." As you can see, this sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Now it's your turn to have a go at choosing the correct punctuation mark. Here are 3 sentences that have their punctuation marks missing. The first sentence is, "What is your favourite colour?" The second sentence is, "We are going on holiday next week," and the third sentence is, "What a mess." In each sentence is a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark needed. Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's have a look at the correct answers. "What is your favourite colour?" is a question, so we need to use a question mark at the end of this sentence. "We are going on holiday next week" is a statement, so we need to put a full stop at the end of this sentence. And "what a mess" expresses strong emotion, so it is an exclamation and needs an exclamation mark. Here is a summary of what we have learnt in this lesson. All sentences must begin with a capital letter. We use a full stop at the end of a statement sentence. We use a question mark at the end of a sentence that is a question. And we use an exclamation mark to show strong emotion or surprise in exclamation sentences.